What's up, YouTube? I'm working on my 2002 Chevy S10 ZR2 with a 4.3. Had problems with multiple engine misfire. After changing a distributor cap and rotor to do a tune-up. Went through all the usual stuff, trying to figure out what was wrong. Thought I had a bad plug wire. Switched them out, wasn't it. Thought I had a bad plug, switched those out, wasn't it. Then got checking the rotor button, and there was play in the rotor button. I'm going to show you why. You can see that. This gear is supposed to be that thick. It had worn down to less than half of that, which is common with these 4.3s. Wore off half the tooth. So, go on Amazon, order a distributor, get a new one in, a couple days, whatever. Go to put it back in, and no matter what I did, I could not get it to line up with the number 6 little diamond shaped symbol right here on the new distributor. It was always either a tooth above or tooth below. Took this apart so I could use the shaft to turn the oil pump, get that line up. Tried it 1,000 times, would not line up. Of course I have a crack up there that didn't help either. But anyway, would not line up. Looked on the internet, looked at all the YouTube videos, could not find anything. And everybody was talking about the alignment of the gear, or the top plate where the rotor mounts to, being out of alignment with the hole in the end of the shaft. And everybody was having complaints about it was pressed on wrong. And check that by what the manufacturer supposedly says is right. Well, they also say that these two dimples are supposed to line up in a certain configuration with this, which it did when it was installed. This was, of course, on the new distributor. Still couldn't get it to line up. Racked my brain, reset it, I don't know how many times. Finally, I got looking at this gear and where this pin lands on that tooth versus where the pin lands on that tooth. So, long story short, new distributor, knocked this roll pin out, a little punch, flipped that gear 180 degrees, knocked the pin back in, put the distributor in, landed perfectly, first time, right where it needs to be. Bolted it back down, fired it up. 1345 code is gone. Runs like a champ. Hope this guys will help you out, guys, and save y'all a whole lot of trouble that I had. Thanks, later.